All right, I'm about to show you how well this little electric pressure washer operates for me. Now, this thing is really quiet, and that's important when you're in a community like I'm in here. Let me show you. But look how clean and sparkling. Now this house right here is, this house is 15 years old. But doesn't it look great? And that's because of that little Ryobi electric pressure washer. It's got enough pressure to clean, but it doesn't damage the vinyl siding, doesn't damage the skirt and all of that. It just takes care of business for you. You ought to really consider one.